This video is about green screen animated animals. If you want to use variety of moving animals in your YouTube videos, cartoons or your documentary videos, this video is going to be very helpful for you. You will actually learn how to make your own green screen animals for your projects. So to learn everything, just follow the mouse pointer. So here are the applications which you need to make your own green screen animations. First one is Animal 4D Plus. So open this app, Animal 4D Plus. I have already installed. You can get it from Play Store. Click on OK. There are almost every type of animal here in this app. You can get and make green screen video of your own. Click on the cross. Now on the top right upper corner here, you will click here. And there are a lot of animals. You can select them according to your video requirement. Suppose I click here. Now this is the animal. You close both these sounds. You can increase its size by pinching on the screen like this. You can rotate it either way according to your video requirement. So once you have adjusted the animal according to your video requirement, then you will open your screen recorder and you will record this screen. After recording this screen, you will close this app. Now you need one more app. This is Tiny Green. You can also download it from the Play Store. Just click here on the Tiny Green. Now look at this interface. In step 1, tap on the video and select your recent video which you have recorded. So here is the video. Now step 2, back layer. Click on color. And then step 3, OK. So you can adjust your animal according to your video requirement in this app too, but we will use this app only to change your background. Just click on your background, it will turn green. There are a lot of options here in this app. If you open the settings, here are the options: Chroma key and cropping. You can crop this green screen animation, as you can apply filters like brightness, contrast, etc. But I will just record this green screen animation here, and then I will do it the further editing in Kinemaster. And when recording is done, you close this app. Now you will open Kinemaster. You can add a new project Or if you are already working on a video, you can open your project. This is video of a boy I have already recorded. So now you will click on layers, then on media, and then storage. And here is your green screen animation. Click here. So first thing you will do here is to go on cropping. This is cropping option. You will click here and you will crop all these extra area from your green screen animate. In this way you will have only your green screen animated animal. Just click on OK. And if you see this error in recording of your green screen animated animal, you just trim this area. Click on the green screen animation, then click on trim, and then this area to the left, trim to left. So click OK. Now click on the green screen and you can adjust its size and place it wherever you want, and then go to Chroma key, enable Chroma key, and make these adjustments. And then click OK. So let's see what happens. So in this way you can make your green screen animated animal videos. Here I have recorded another animal. I will just click on it and go to Chroma key, enable Chroma key, then apply it, and now play it. Animal. And instead of videos, you can add still images to the background, and then you can import green screen animated animals, and you can edit your video. So look at that. Here I have imported this green screen animal. I will apply Chroma key. Just click on it, scroll down. Here is Chroma key, enable it. It is perfect. Okay, let's see how it looks like. This is perfect. So in this way you can make your green screen animated animal videos, and you can even do it better by spending some more time. If you like the video, please press on the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching.